Hey, how's it going? Jonathan Dunkerley here. And today I was going to show you how you could use AI and video to make $1,000 days for your small business. So as you can see, this actually does work. This is an actual Stripe account that is using the system and the strategy that I'm about to show you. So yesterday, it was $1,206 in payout. And then today, we have currently $876. This is going to be a $1,000 day pretty soon. Now, if you think, okay, you just had a fluke and this is just these few days, you can go down here and you could see the last year is nearly $1 million in gross value. And in net value, it's over $800,000. And then if we also looked at all time, it is nearly $3 million in gross and almost $2.5 million in net. So this system really does work, and it really does work for any niche, including small businesses. So I'm going to show you how to do this manually so you could clone these results. And then I'm going to show you a super secret ninja trick on how you could take the shortcut and have this done with AI for you. So let's jump right in. First off, if you are just getting started and you still don't have anything that you are promoting, just go to, and you're going to be able to grab this list of over 400 products and services that you could promote and make money with this system. So the first step is to go to ChatGPT. You could go there by going to chat.openai.com or just Google ChatGPT and you will find it. And there is a free version. So as an example, I'm going to go ahead and just use a makeup artist as an example. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to write us a short script, and we're going to give it a little bit of information about what we want. So I'm telling ChatGPT to write me a short script for a TikTok video for someone that wants people to see their makeup school. Show off how much they will learn from an expert with many years of experience. Give a call to action at the end to comment yes to learn more. So I'm going to hit enter or return, and it's going to start writing out our script. Now, we only need the dialogue. We only need this part. So you could try and ask ChatGPT to rewrite it without it, or you could just clean it up yourself, and then we will go on to the next step. So now we have the cleaned up script. I let ChatGPT know that this is the new version that I wanted to reference. And then I said, give me 5 Midjourney image prompts that can go with the script above. So I'm going to hit save and submit or enter, and it is writing some prompts for us. So let's just grab one of these prompts. I'm going to grab this one right here because it's talking about instructors and students. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over to a site called Midjourney. And with Midjourney, you are going to be able to generate AI-generated images. You use Midjourney through a platform called Discord. Discord is a social media platform, but it also has a lot of tools and bots built in. That's the reason why Midjourney is on Discord. So once you have Midjourney installed, you're going to be inside Discord. It's going to look something like this. You're going to have 3 different options on how you can use Midjourney. You could either do what I'm doing right here, where I made a server, it's free, where I made the server, made a channel, and then installed Midjourney on it. Or you could just do it through your Messenger app, or you can go to their Discord server and just do it directly in there, whatever you like. But I like doing this way because it's private. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the / command / and I'm going to click Imagine. And then I'm going to paste in the prompt that we were given. Now, one thing that you're going to want to do is if you put -- AR and then space and then 9:16, since these are vertical videos, it will now make the videos in this aspect ratio, which is 9:16, the shape of a phone. So I'm going to hit return. And it's generating 4 images based off of this prompt. And you could also make variations of these that could be different images to use. Now, these 4 images might be enough, and I could just hit upres on all 4 of them, and it would give me them. Now, it is generating higher quality versions of these 4 images, but if I wanted variations of this, I could always say, for instance, I want variations of this one where they're putting makeup on their face. Give me variations, and it's going to generate me 4 more images based off of this image. Then I'll have more images that I could use if I need them. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and download these 4 images for our example. Now, of course, you could just record this script and just put this over those pictures that we just generated. But, why are we going to do that? I'm going to go ahead and copy this script from here to here. And I'm going to go over to a platform called 11 Labs. 11 Labs generates AI voiceovers. You could clone yours or anybody else's voice or use one of the many stock voices that are here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that script in right here. we have our script, and then I could adjust the voice settings, and then when I am ready, I'm going to just hit generate.
Welcome to the world of makeup artistry. We're here to transform your passion into a career. Our expert instructors have years of experience in the industry. See the difference experience makes? When you enroll, you'll have access to an extensive range of makeup products. From basic skills to advanced techniques, we cover it all. Our instructors are dedicated to helping you succeed. Are you ready to turn your passion for makeup into a rewarding career? Comment yes to learn more.
And I think that turned out pretty good. I used a different voice than mine just because I thought that it would be more relevant to the niche. So if you don't want it to be your voice, it's very easy just to use one of the stock voices. Then we're just going to go down here and hit the download button, and it is now downloaded. Now we have our script, we have the photos that we're going to use in our video, and then we have our voiceover. One other thing that you could always add is a virtual avatar. You could use your own face in these avatars, or you could always go and look at their stock avatar library and use any of these. This is an optional step, but it does elevate your video to the next level. So now we have our script, we have our images, we have our voiceovers, and then it is optional, but you are welcome to add in an avatar as well. But then how are we going to put it all together? You could use any editing software that you like, but a good one to use is CapCut. It is free. There is a paid version, but you could do everything that you need to do in the free one. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a new video. And since this is a 9:16 video, we are going to select 9:16. And then we could just go ahead and bring in all of the clips. We're going to bring in the photos, the images that we generated with Midjourney, and we're going to bring in our script. And if you are using HeyGen, then you could bring in your avatar as well. One thing to note is HeyGen will actually generate its own voiceover, but if you'd like to use any of the 11 Labs ones, you could always find the 11 Labs API up here in the right corner under Profile. So I'm just going to drop the 4 images and the voiceover. I would usually use more than 4 images, but I am just showing you this as an example. So first I'm going to grab the voiceover and I'm going to drag that to the bottom. There we go. So we have our audio. Then what we're going to do is we are going to grab the photos. And then we are going to shrink them until they fit where we want. You might want to listen to the audio and see if there's points where you want the cuts to happen. Then you could add some keyframes if you'd like to add some motion to the images. And then you can come over here to where it says captions and click automatic captions and hit generate. And it is going to generate captions automatically that are just going to go over your video. Then you can grab the closed captions that you generated and make them look different and a little bit more clear to see. And then the last step is going over to audio, and then you could add whatever audio is trending or that you want to add into your video right here. So all the steps that we went through right now was generating the script, and then we also generated prompts that we could put into Midjourney, which gave us all the images. Then we took the script and put it into 11 Labs and generated our voiceover. Or you could have also gone to HeyGen and generated an avatar version and even used your own voice using 11 Labs. Then we went to CapCut and we assembled the entire video. And after that, you could also schedule it out on multiple platforms using platforms like Radar, which post on multiple platforms all at the same time: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all at the same time, so you could have the largest impact with your video. But I did tell you that I was going to give you that Super Ninja hack, and that Super Ninja hack is a tool called Shinify. It used to be called ShineRanker, and they're in the middle of a rebranding, so it is called Shinify now, but ShineRanker is the old name. So if you want to follow along, just go to ShineRanker, and you can grab a copy of Shinify, and you're going to be able to create videos like this. Pretty much on autopilot. They get thousands of views, and then like I just showed you, you could post them on multiple platforms. So if you are making a post and you're able to get thousands of views per profile every time that you post a video, that really adds up and gets you leads to your small business, or really any business if you think about it. So after you're in Shinify, the first thing that I would actually do is I would go down here to where it says ShineRanker VIP, and these tutorials are the key to any questions that you have about this tool, how to succeed with this strategy. Just go in here, and all of these videos are step-by-step instructions on how to build everything. This is basically the hand-holding, so jump in here if you want to learn how to make money with this system. First, I'm going to go to this tool which says AI Video Tools. I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to click this first one that says AI Text to Image. And I'm going to click Use Tool. Now, it gives me a pretty straightforward image. And you can see I already have my avatar in this image right here. And now we have our idea. And this would basically be the same thing as the Midjourney prompt that we put over here. I grabbed part of the prompt that we used in Midjourney and I pasted it in here. And now I'm going to go look at video. You could add it in a Midjourney API if you want right here from the next leg. If you wanted to do that, it would just make your videos more accurate. And you can just click right here and then it will take you over here to their page at the nextleg.io. And then you would just subscribe with them and you would be able to grab the token and go back over to Shinify and add it in here. But it is not required. Then next, I'm going to turn on captions. And I'm going to turn on animations. And again, animations add a little bit of motion in the background to make the images look more dynamic and more like videos. So I'm going to go in and turn on avatar. If you wanted to have an avatar, you would go over to HeyGen and grab the API key. Certain packages have API keys and certain don't, so make sure that when you subscribe for that, you are grabbing the right API keys. Make sure that you click this little check and you get the little green check verifying that your API key is installed. And this time I'm going to use one of their stock images. So I picked Angela, and next we're going to go over to voice. In 11 Labs, I had picked Matilda, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick that same exact voice. And if you want to sample it, you can click the little play button.
Ideas are the beginning.
And if you would like to add in your own voice, you would just need to add in your 11 Labs API key. Make sure you hit the little check button and then go and pick your voice at the bottom. It will show up once your API key is entered. And on this next tab, we have script. You could either go over here to the AI chat tool, which is basically ChatGPT 4 built into Shinify, or you could always go to ChatGPT and just grab your script from there. We already have a script that we have written, so I'm going to grab this right here and I'm going to paste it into Shinify. So next we're going to need to create a script. Now you could either go over here to the AI chat tool right here, and it's basically ChatGPT 4 built into Shinify, or you can just go directly to ChatGPT and copy the script that we did earlier. But if you haven't done this already, you could just do it directly in Shinify. So I'm going to paste that script right here. And on the next tab, we have music. There are a couple included songs, or you could do no music. So I'm just going to pick this one right here, Future Beats. I have my music, I have my script, I have my voice, I have my avatar, I have my video settings, and I have my idea prompt. When I am ready, I'm just going to hit generate. And it will automatically start generating your image right here. Now, you could always hit generate 2 more times, and it's going to just start generating the next video right away. But what I would recommend that you do is you just change a couple settings here and there. You could change it to a different song. You could easily just change the voice to a different voice, put it on Rachel. We could put it on a different avatar or just take off the avatar. Or we could even take the script and go over to the AI chat tool, paste it in, and tell it to rewrite it and make it fresh. And just like that, we have a completely original second script. And what I would do is when a script starts doing really well, you could take that script and keep on spinning it and rewriting it and get the same video out over and over again, but original. Now, this does take a couple minutes to generate, but you do not have to actively build it like we were doing with the manual version using Midjourney and 11 Labs, HeyGen, as well as CapCut. So now we are back in Shinify and our video is done. So I'm going to just play this video so you could see what we were given and how easy it is. We have our AI avatar that is not me in this one, and then we have our background and our text. So I'm going to hit play.
Welcome to the world of makeup artistry. We're here to transform your passion into a career. Our expert instructors have years of experience in the industry. See the difference experience makes? When you enroll, you'll have access to an extensive range of makeup products. From basic skills to advanced techniques, we cover it all. Our instructors are dedicated to helping you succeed. Are you ready to turn your passion for makeup into a rewarding career? Comment yes to learn more.
And I think that turned out pretty good. Now you could just go ahead and download these videos and then put them into platforms like Radar in order to schedule them out weeks or months in advance. And then we go back over to Shinify and we could just hit generate again or change the script and then just keep on pumping out these videos and posting to multiple platforms, making money every single day. And the thing that I like about this is, yes, it does take a little bit of effort in order to put this together, but once you have it prepped, I could continuously just hit that generate video button instead of doing it multiple times every time that I want a new video added. And take a look at this. Since I started recording this video, I actually have made money in this account, and we are nearly at $1,000. Right now, for me, it is 7:51 p.m., so we still have time to make $1,000 just from this account today. So like all good things, this does take work. You need to put in a little bit of effort in order to have these types of results. And using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, HeyGen, and Shineify, you're going to be able to get to this faster as long as you put in the work. This is possible. And if you wanted to make videos like this, go to shineranker.com and grab your copy of Shineify. And if you want to see more videos like this, just drop the word yes in the comments so we know to make more videos like this for you. Now go out there and take action and go and create some videos with AI and make some money. And I will see you in the next video.